Hello and welcome to Cashcraft 360, the channel where we turn business concepts into practical, inspiring stories to help you craft your success. Today, we'll take you on an immersive journey into the life of Jack Thompson, a coffee enthusiast who turned his passion into a thriving global business using the power of competitive advantage. If you're curious to know what happened with Jack and how he achieved his dream, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Cashcraft 360. Let's get started. Jack Thompson lived in a small coastal town surrounded by breathtaking nature. Every morning, Jack would wake up to the chirping of birds and the scent of salt in the air. But something was missing from his life. His love for coffee, no. His obsession with coffee felt unfulfilled. Jack dreamed of opening a coffee shop that wasn't just about caffeine, but about the art, culture, and stories behind every bean. As he walked through the bustling town square, Jack noticed something that gave him pause. The streets were lined with coffee shops, each one bustling with people. How can I stand out? He thought. He felt a pang of doubt. Could a new coffee shop succeed in such a saturated market? But Jack wasn't the type to give up easily. That night, he sat by the fireplace with his notebook in hand, jotting down ideas. Jack realized he needed a unique edge, something no one else was offering. That's when he discovered the concept of competitive advantage while reading a business book he found in his local library. Competitive advantage, he learned, is the unique value a business offers to its customers, something competitors can't easily replicate. It could be exceptional quality, innovative processes, or an emotional connection with customers. Jack's mind began to race. Every coffee shop here focuses on convenience, ambiance, or desserts, but none of them focus on the coffee itself. That's where I'll shine. Jack decided his competitive advantage would be quality and storytelling. He wanted every customer to feel they weren't just drinking coffee, but experiencing a journey across the world. Jack traveled to coffee farms in Ethiopia, Colombia, and Vietnam, meeting farmers and learning their stories. He discovered the struggles behind each harvest, the generations of expertise, and the deep pride these farmers took in their beans. He vowed to honor their efforts by bringing their stories to life. Back in his hometown, Jack opened his shop, Origin Roasters. The walls were decorated with photos of the farmers he met, each captioned with their stories. Customers could pick up a card with their coffee, learning where the beans were grown and the journey they had taken. Jack didn't stop there. He introduced a coffee tasting workshop every weekend, teaching people how to appreciate the nuances of different beans. He even launched a subscription box service, delivering freshly roasted coffee from around the world to his customers' doorsteps. At first, business was slow, but then a travel blogger stumbled upon Origin Roasters during a trip to the town. The blogger shared a heartfelt post about Jack's dedication to quality and ethical sourcing, and the post went viral. Soon, people were flocking to Jack's shop from all over. What started as a small dream grew into a thriving business. Jack opened new branches in major cities, each one staying true to his original mission, to connect people with the stories behind their coffee. The result. Jack's story is a testament to the power of competitive advantage. By identifying what made his business unique and delivering it with passion, he created a loyal community of coffee lovers. What is competitive advantage? In simple terms, Competitive advantage is the unique value a business offers that sets it apart. It's why customers choose you over the competition. How to apply competitive advantage. 1. Analyze your market. Study your competitors and identify gaps. 2. Leverage your strengths. Focus on what you do better than anyone else. 3. Deliver with excellence. Make your offering consistent and exceptional. Why does it matter? Competitive advantage isn't just about standing out, it's about creating value that keeps customers coming back. Just like Jack, you can turn your passion into success by finding your unique edge. Want to unlock another powerful tool for your business journey? Don't miss our next video on the SWOT analysis. It's a game changer for identifying your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Before you leave, remember to hit the like button, subscribe to Cashcraft 360, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Also, share this video with someone who might need inspiration for their business journey. What do you think? Ready to bring this story to life?